remember in the olden days when we were girls and boys, we couldn't wait for Christmas time to play with our new toys. Things have changed and times moved on and there's no turning back. Now Santa drives a Scania and he works for Huntapac. No silent night, no holy night, and no more jingle bells. He's got a loaded trailer and it's all for Tesco's shelves. No Christmas presents for the kids, just carrots in his sack. Yes, Santa drives a Scania and he works for Huntapac. He said it's too cold at the North Pole, I want to move down by the sea. So he got a place in Southport and he passed his HGV. Now he's got a big red shiny truck to match his coat and hat. The Santa drives a Scania and he works for Huntapac. No silent night, no holy night, and no more jingle bells. He's got a loaded trailer and it's all for Tesco's shelves. No Christmas presents for the kids, just carrots in his sack. The Santa drives a Scania and he works for Huntapac. Cupid, Vixen, Blitzen, they're wandering like lost souls. Donna, Dasher, Prancer, well they're all on the go. Rudolph's in the hospital, he's had a heart attack. I've shocked of seeing Santa drive a truck for Huntapac. No silent night, no holy night, and no more jingle bells. He's got a loaded trailer and it's all for Tesco's shelves. No Christmas presents for the kids, just carrots in his sack. Yes, Santa drives a Scania and he works for Huntapac. It is Tesco witness, Linda Easton, Tesco waving mouth, Doncaster and Hinckley, Snodland way down south. He gets round them all in just one night, when the sky is black. The Santa drives a Scania and he works for Huntapac. No silent night, no holy night, and no more jingle bells. He's got a loaded trailer and it's all for Tesco's shelves. No Christmas presents for the kids, just carrots in his sack. The Santa drives a Scania and he works for Huntapac. If you look out there tonight, you might see him in the sky. All you'll hear him shouting, ho ho ho, fly Scania fly. Now he's in a carrot field, down the muddy track. Your Santa drives a Scania and he works for Huntapac. No silent night, no